Feel like grilling something good tonight? Well, there's one problem. All your food's been burning lately. Yeah, the grill could be cleaned, that would help, but maybe your burner shields have disintegrated and the fire's just coming up on your food. Is it time for a whole new grill and that big, huge expense? Maybe not yet. I'm CJ with Electric Eye Network. Let me show you how to renew it. I just ordered all new burner shields online for under 20 bucks. Let's show you how easily they go in and how effective they'll be. I'm just going to take the actual grill grates off. I'm going to simply pick each of the old burner shields up. They're just sitting on rails along the back and front of the inside of the grill. I could clean all that off, but watch when I get down here. I get further down, the shield is actually gone. And flames just come up and burn my food when it starts dripping fat. Okay, good to go on that. There's a drip pan in the back of the grill here. Take that and we'll clean that out. And then there's a pan that catches all of the other things that drop and burn. We'll just empty that. Slide that pan back in the bottom of the grill. I dumped out the drip pan, put that back in. With the burners now totally exposed, let's light them to make sure they're functioning well. I find they last a lot longer than the heat shields do. They all seem to be functioning well all the way across, so that's great. Now here are our shields. Let's just put those on. There are slots where each one goes. See those slots right there? Boom and boom. They just set right in. I've provided you with a link in the video description below to the exact burner shields I purchased. These fit a lot of common grills, specifically the 5-burner Nexgrill and Charbroil grills. Just measure the exact length of the burner shields on your grill and make sure that matches the product you purchase. Mine measured 14 and almost 5/8 inches, and that translates to 14.6 in the description of my product. See in the light reflection how it looks like they're coated in a really thick paint? That's a porcelain coating. Those are the best, longest lasting kind. That coating protects the steel from corrosion for a while. These dirty grates can easily be cleaned with a new wire brush. I don't use wire brushes to clean the grills when I'm cooking anymore because I wouldn't want one bristle to ever fall out and get in the food. I'll show you later how I clean them when I'm cooking. Okay, I've cleaned these well enough. Now I'm just going to put them in and we're good to go. You can also replace these grill grates. Mine are fine right now, but I'll leave you the links for both these, which are cast iron, and the porcelain coated ones. I used to love the porcelain coated ones because they clean very easily for a while until the porcelain does corrode through to the steel. Then you have a lot of rusty steel. That's why now I prefer these cast iron grill grates. They're more like a cast iron pan, great for cooking. Voila! Dirty hands, but we are ready to cook. One clean, safe, organic way to clean the grill grates before cooking is with a lemon. Cut it in half, then salt it, then fire up the grill and get it to at least 400 degrees. Turn the burners down to low and clean with the salted lemon. If you don't have extra lemons handy, almost just as good is a dripping wet ball of paper towels. Yeah, with the grill preheated, any buildup is softened. Just press it firmly and wipe up and down the grates. Now that we've renewed this grill, let's throw some kebabs on and see how it does. I'm not torching them as much as I might like, because not all family members or guests like them that charred. I just look for dark grill marks on each side and then make sure they're cooked through. These look and smell great and make for a colorful dish to serve. I hope this helps you with your summer cooking. Happy grilling, and I'll see you on the next one.